Imagine walking through your entire home, streaming 4K video, gaming online, and video calling every room without a single hiccup or dead zone. That seamless experience is now possible with the latest mesh Wi-Fi technology, and today we're taking a closer look at one of the most advanced systems available. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, where we explore the technology that makes your life simpler and more connected. Today, we're reviewing the TP-Link Deco XE75 AXE5400 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6E mesh system. This is a three-pack mesh system designed to replace your traditional router and extender setup, covering up to 7,200 square feet while supporting up to 200 devices. If you've been frustrated with dead zones, slow speeds, or devices dropping off the network, this system could be a game changer. It's ideal for large homes, home offices, or anyone with multiple smart devices. For those ready to upgrade, the purchase link is conveniently located in the description and pinned comment. Reason number 1. Comprehensive Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6E coverage. The Deco XE75 introduces Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6E with a new 6 GHz band, in addition to the 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz bands. This means your network isn't just faster, it's smarter, separating traffic efficiently across 3 channels. For households with multiple users, gaming consoles, streaming devices, and smart home gadgets, this ensures uninterrupted performance. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, it's engineered to eliminate congestion and keep every device running smoothly. Reason number 2. Extended range for large homes. With 3 nodes, each strategically positioned, the system covers up to 7,200 square feet. Dead zones are virtually eliminated. Whether you're in the basement, backyard, or an upstairs bedroom, the signal remains strong and consistent. Users moving from room to room experience seamless roaming with no interruptions. It's a solution that finally scales Wi-Fi to match modern home layouts. Reason number 3. Exceptional speed across devices. The system delivers a combined speed of up to 5,400 megabits per second, with 2,402 megabits per second on both the 6 GHz and 5 GHz bands and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band. Whether you're streaming 4K content, uploading large files, or gaming online, this mesh system ensures that speed isn't a limiting factor. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, it's designed to keep up with today's demanding internet applications. Reason number 4. AI-driven mesh for intelligent network optimization. What sets the Deco XE75 apart is its AI-driven mesh technology. It automatically learns your network environment, monitors client quality, and adapts to user behavior. This means your devices always connect to the optimal node, optimizing performance without manual intervention. For households with complex layouts or multiple floors, this feature alone enhances reliability and simplifies ownership. Reason number 5. Advanced security with HomeShield. Security is a top priority. TP-Link's HomeShield service provides premium network protection, including device identification, malware protection, and parental controls. You can manage IoT devices, control guest access, and monitor traffic from anywhere through the app. This robust security framework ensures your home network is protected against modern cyber threats, giving peace of mind for every member of the household. Reason number 6. Simple setup and intuitive management. The Deco app makes setup straightforward, guiding you step by step with clear visuals. Adding nodes, adjusting settings, or managing connected devices can be done in minutes. It also integrates with Amazon Alexa, allowing for voice commands to control the network. Even users new to mesh systems find this device remarkably easy to manage, making high-end Wi-Fi accessible to all skill levels. Reason number 7. Future-proof technology. The inclusion of the new 6 GHz band means your network is ready for Wi-Fi 6E devices. With multi-link operation, 4K, QAM, and advanced spectrum management, the system ensures compatibility with next-generation laptops, smartphones, and smart home products. Investing in the Deco XE75 today means your network will remain relevant and fast for years to come, providing long-term value. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, this is a system built for the future of connectivity. Final verdict: the TP-Link Deco XE75 AXE5400 tri-band mesh system is a premium, highly reliable choice for anyone seeking seamless, high-performance Wi-Fi in a large home. Its only limitation may be that the 6 GHz band is currently beneficial primarily for Wi-Fi 6E compatible devices, but for households investing in next-gen devices, this system provides unmatched speed, coverage, and security. It stands out for its balance of performance, ease of use, and long-term value. If you want to simplify your network while achieving next-level speed and coverage, this system delivers a premium, trustworthy solution. Take your time, consider your needs, and upgrade your home connectivity with confidence.